Hey guys, just showing you what the software is like on this Dragon Edge camera. We're gonna go ahead and put in the battery. Boom. Alright, and then we're gonna put in an SD card. Make sure that works. Wrong way. Okay. Boom. Alright, so we turn it on. Dragon Touch, okay. Boom, bam, boom. Alright, so if we scroll through the modes, we can see it changes from like video to camera here, and then to, I think, slow motion. But then if I press it again to go into settings, this is actually where it just stops working. There's nothing more I can do. I can't go back. If I try and record something, nothing happens. So there you go. Okay. Money well spent.